Most people get this wrong when they search for AppStation payment proof. They see screenshots online and instantly assume it proves easy money. But here's the truth no one tells you. Payment proof alone does not guarantee consistent earnings or long-term reliability. In this video, you will learn what AppStation payment proof in 2026 actually means, how real the payouts are, and what you must understand before you trust any earnings screenshots you see online. Let's get straight into it. AppStation is a mobile rewards app where users earn points by playing games. Those points can later be redeemed for gift cards or cash equivalents depending on your region and available payout methods. The concept sounds simple, and in some cases it does pay users. Now here's where it gets interesting. Payment proof is real, in the sense that users do receive payouts. But the important detail is scale. Most of these payments are very small. For example, someone like Alex might play for several hours over a few days just to earn a small gift card. So yes, the payout exists, but it is not significant income. Here's the problem most people miss. Payment proof online often shows the final step, not the full journey. You don't see how long it took to earn that reward, how many ads were watched, or how limited the earning offers were in that region. Another key factor is offer availability. AppStation does not generate its own games. It relies on advertisers and third-party partners. That means users like Jake in one country may see higher-paying offers, while users in another region see very limited options. This creates a big difference in earning potential. Now let's talk about consistency. Even if you see multiple payment proofs, it does not mean earnings are stable. Offers can change daily, and some users may have strong earning days while others see almost nothing available. That inconsistency is one of the biggest realities of reward apps like this. So is AppStation payment proof real in 2026? Yes, it is real, but it represents small occasional payouts rather than a steady income stream. The existence of proof only confirms that the system works under certain conditions, not that it is profitable for everyone. The smart way to think about it is this. AppStation is a casual reward app, not a job or income replacement. If you treat it as entertainment with small bonuses, it can be fine. But if you expect reliable earnings, you will likely be disappointed. To wrap it up, AppStation does have real payment proof, but the earnings are low, inconsistent, and highly dependent on offers and location. Now you know what those screenshots actually mean behind the scenes. If this breakdown helped you, like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more honest app reviews and breakdowns like this.